Welcome to Roll. Hi, this is Tom from Roll. Today, I'm thrilled to share with you a 3D printed part that showcases key aspects of Roll's technology. This device has a rotor with 3 lobes, 4 pins, and a stator with 5 lobes, 3, 4, 5. The pins glide smoothly along specialized surfaces known as raceways. Let's start by highlighting the chevron-shaped tongue and groove system. These structures are commonly mistaken for gear teeth. Gears are held in place by shafts and bearings, which are not present. These are guides that ensure that the pins remain in the correct position, both laterally and in the direction of rolling. Roll's optimization technology shaped the raceways so that the pins roll without sliding, and the raceway surfaces are parallel when they make contact with the pin to prevent jamming. This part exemplifies the 3 fundamental principles of the technology. The guides ensure the pin's placement, allowing the system to roll seamlessly without any inclination to jam. A byproduct of the optimization process is the equal perimeter of both the rotor and stator lobes, which also matches the circumference of the pin. To highlight this, we've marked a guide facing a rotor lobe with a star. As the rotor rotates, the star glides to the lowest point on the stator and then onto the next rotor lobe. This is the part prior to assembly. The 2 halves of the pins are simultaneously secured in place with the help of the locator pins, resulting in a cohesive unit. We ask for your assistance by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.